Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
So today, overlooking this beautiful pool and the Gulf, we have a beautiful unit for you to see at the Summit Resort. That's right, Summit doesn't come open too often, and it's a beloved by guests. This unit is a rental machine, and I can't wait to show it to you. Let's check it out. So welcome into this quaint, adorable kitchen. I love that it's got modern, updated granite countertops. She's added a beautiful backsplash. As you can see, everything's been updated here. You've got newer appliances, a newer washer and dryer, and these cabinets are all custom throughout the whole unit. So no expense has been spared to make this short-term rental beautiful. You do have your space for a dining area, and it's nice and open so everybody can commune here and enjoy the beautiful beach views. Let's go check out the bedroom. Welcome into this expansive main bedroom. I mean, if you're gonna have a one bedroom, this is what you want. Plenty of space for your king size bed, and you've got a dresser, nice large TV in here, and you do have access to the bathroom. This unit has a 1.5 bath. You have access from the hallway as well as from the main ensuite, and it's just perfect. It's gonna be the two of you doing a quick getaway, or if it's a small family with a couple children in the bunk rooms, there is still plenty of space. But you know, with these condos, all the beauty is outdoors. Let's go. So for more information, look in the listing description below. I have the link there for you to check out all of the finer details, square footage, and whatever else you might need. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. You ring that bell so you don't miss out on any beautiful deals like this one.